more Dior. Jeez. Saint Laurent. Let's see. Here's a Webster tag. Oh, I'm in Webster, by the way. Chloe. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this new color. Oh gosh, so cute. Oh, these are cute too. Oh, these are so cute. Now y'all know I love a jacket. Oh. Look at this one. It is so cute. And all this pink. Oh, that is cute. This is gonna be more casual. I know I look a mess. I just got back from the airport. I don't have no makeup on, so if you ever wanted to see, this is what I look like. So I got some packages while I was gone. So I was going to do an unboxing real fast. More casual, that's why I don't have makeup on. The first thing is not necessarily something I bought, but it's a company that I love and kind of want to start working with. So Clear Start, they sent me a nice little box. There's a bunch of paper things. And there's a mug in there. I don't want to get this all over my floor. It says good skin, good mood. And in the box, or in the mug, there's like a little hot chocolate popsicle thingy majigger. So that's that. And there's also a bunch of chocolate kisses that are in holiday color. And then, oh, I dropped some. And then they sent me this Buy Blackhead clearing kit. It is $33 value, but it's only $25. I don't know exactly where you can get this. I haven't looked into it, but I'll probably Google it. Okay, so it's 2.5 fluid ounces foam wash, and it's the fizzing blackhead clearing mask. I have tried this. I do like this. I have tried this. I do like it. It's nothing like I've used before. It's like basically like that bubble bath that was like going really it's basically like the bubble bath that's super trendy. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that's that. And then the next thing I bought was Macy's. It was another one of my double wear stay in place foundation, and I am in SW2, which is cashew. So that was usually, I think it's like $43, and it was on sale for $36. And then I had $10 Macy's cash, so that made it $28. And then with that purchase, that item, the foundation, was eligible for a free gift. And the free gift, there's a bag, and I do not like the feeling of this bag. It's like velvet. Gross. I guess there's stones that you can put on. I'm gonna guess probably here because it's the same size. Stones, birthstones that you can put on your pouch. So it's red on the inside. And I think this one was the Protect and Hydrate bag. I don't know. So there's Take It Away makeup removing lotion. There's Day Wear Multi Protection Anti 24-Hour Moisturizing Cream. This is how many ounces? 5 ounces, so that's decent. And then there's a lipstick with a cheetah matching and Pink Parfait, which is a pretty color. Sorry about the crappy lighting. I don't feel like setting up. There's a Extremely Black mascara. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, my nails are also awful. Great. I forgot I picked off my nails. And then there's also Advanced Night Repair, which is 0.23 fluid ounces. Yeah, there's some leftover gel on my nails. And then this is new, something I've never seen them put in a free gift. It's the Pure Color Envy Lip Repair Potion. And I don't know. I feel like it's just like a lip gloss, lip mask kind of thing, but it's small and it's pink and it's pretty cute. So that was all. That was in the free gift, so that was free, but obviously it's with a purchase, and I bought the $28 foundation, which would have been still on sale $36, which is still a good deal because original price plus tax is like basically a $50 foundation. The next thing I got was kind of impulse. Took it out of the bag for you guys. It is a Michael Kors short packable puffer jacket. So I have the long version that goes to your, like, basically like your above your knee. Not exactly of this one, but very similar. It's also packable, so I wanted a short one. This is what it looks like. The only thing that's different from mine and this one is mine has better, this has, like, I don't know if you guys know, these little tab zipper things that are pretty cheap and they get caught really easily. Mine on my big long one has like these two kind of zipper pockets on the side too, but this one is just the main zipper. So it's just in black. I got this impulse because it was on sale, and I could have probably went into like Ross or TJ Maxx and found this, but I don't even feel like it. So I got it in a large, and it says packable downfill made in China, and it has this little bag that you can basically roll it into and put it in there. And let's see, here's the price tag. It used to be I don't know, it's focused. It used to be $190, and then it was a 50% off, or no, 60% off. and it's $59.98. That's how much I got it for. I ordered it from Nordstrom Rack. So there's that. And the last thing is a box from Forever 21. So if you watch my Black Friday haul 2020, I talked about some sweatpants in there and I complained a little bit. And actually, after the third call, they finally refunded me the money and I kept the damaged pants because I didn't want to go back and forth with them. So I'll take it. So the first thing is this black jean jacket. So I bought what I thought was black, and then I went back on the website and they had a wash black. And then once I received it, I noticed that the jacket that I had was more of like a distressed acid wash kind of black color, and I wanted like a solid black denim jacket. So I ordered the other black to see which one was more solid of a black, and then I was gonna return the more acid wash looking. And so far this one seems more. I probably could grab the other one and do a side-by-side comparison. So just distressed with the holes and stuff. So I just grabbed the one that I ordered like around Black Friday. This one was labeled black and this was labeled wash black, and it's not the best lighting, but they're pretty much the same color, which is very confusing now that I think about it. But I do think the wash black is a tint darker. I don't know. Y'all can see they're labeled black and wash black, but right next to each other, they're basically the same color. Well, I don't know what to tell you on that one. So that was still $19.60 when I bought it. I don't know what the price of it is now. Distressed boyfriend fit. Oh, I got this, which was a 2-piece. It was on sale for $7. Another impulse buy. So it's just a one shoulder top. Looks like leggings that they cut. That's kind of funny. And then here are the bottoms, which they're basically just kind of loose leggings kind of sorts. They have an elastic band at the ankle and around there, and there are no pockets. Just kind of loose fitting leggings. I think the whole outfit was $7, so for a shirt and some leggings, $7 is not too bad, because sometimes leggings alone, cheap ones, are $7. And then also got 2 pairs of jeans, and I don't know if they're gonna fit, but if not, we're going back to the store. So this one is a high-rise skinny in the size 29, essential denim, just black, high-waisted, regular cuff pants, no rips, and then I got some blue jeans. the Fairfax High Rise Skinny 29 again. I think that these do have some distress on them. So there's some distress on the knee, a little bit up here. Again, high rise. I don't know if these will fit, but that's all the packages I came home to. I hope the rest of the video was decent. It's just random clips from my trip. I'll hope you guys enjoy.